Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk about tuples in Python. In our previous videos, we have discussed about how to create a list, how to create dictionaries in Python. In this video, we are going to discuss about tuples. So there is a relation there, dictionaries, list and tuples. So just before move to the in detail about the tools, I'm going to give some brief about the list and the dictionaries in the tuple. What we discussed in our previous video. List and the list. How we declare the list? The list is declared the square brackets. So the list items are enclosed within the square brackets, separated by comma. The list. What is the dictionaries? The dictionaries items are created with the curly braces. All the dictionary items are enclosed with the curly braces and separated by commas. But dictionaries, there is a one special feature is there. In the dictionary, each and every item has key and value. So it is a pair. It's a pair. So one item is called a pair of key and value, right? So we can access that item with the help of the key value from the dictionary. So with the help of the dictionary, so we can declare the many items in the what we discussed in our previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the tuples. How we are going to declare the tuples. So this is the procedure. So the tuples created with a round bracket. Tuples create round bracket in the sense. So this is the round bracket, like a parenthesis. The tuples items are created with the round brackets, or it is enclosed with the round brackets, and it is separated by comma. Similarly, dictionaries and the list. And all items are separated by comma, but it is enclosed with the parenthesis. Okay, that is a tuples. Okay, this is a creation of the tuples. Once the tuples items are defined and it cannot be changed, this is the very most important point. Once that tuple items are defined, it cannot be changed. What does mean? And once items are created, you cannot remove an item, you cannot modify an item, you cannot change an item, you cannot insert an item. Whatever operations we did it in the list, and those operations are not possible where in the tuple. So what is the tuple only that its items are constants. So once it's declared, finish. So now you can you can print it, or that's it, right? You can otherwise one tuple add with another tuple, we can able to do, or you can print from one portion to another portion, that is a slicer, that is also possible, but you cannot change any tuple items. So this is a most important point. We need to understand the difference between the list, dictionaries and the tuples. Now we will see how to declare the uh, tuples. The tuple, we need to create the tuple. This is the tuple name, and open a parenthesis, and we need to write the items. So items either text or number, but it should be separated by comma and finished with the closed with the parenthesis. Just print the list and it will print the list, and print fruits, the print built-in function using for to print the item, just it will print apple, mango and banana, pineapple. Okay, so this is the creation of the tuples. Okay, now, so now let us see that practical example. So I will open the Python code. Let me show how to create the tuple. Then we need to print that one. Now I'll open the Python. Just go to the Python IDE, already installed in my computer. File, new file. Okay, now just for I am doing. So for an example, uh, country equal to, so open a curly braces, so open a parenthesis, right? Just open a parenthesis, not just I am writing an example, USA, comma, UK, comma, Australia. Okay, now the tuple created. Now I am going to print the tuple. Print UNTR country. Now just save the program. Now I am save the program. Okay, I am saving into my desktop. Just I need to give that file name. Just I am entering the file. For example, py. Okay, now tuple save. Now I am going to run the program. Run what we need. Just go to run the program. The output is, so now the tuple is created with the parenthesis, right? Okay, within a double quotes. Now we will open that tuple items, right? Now the same, just we will use for the, for an example, numbers equal to open parenthesis, 5, 10, 4 something. Okay, close it, print numbers, save the program and run the program. Now you will get the answer. So this is the way the tuples are created. Okay, I'll go back to the screen. Now tuple is created. Now we will move to the next example. So what is the next example? Get an element from a tuple. Now we are going for the slices. Just we are going to use the slice operation here, just to print the value of from the tuple. For example, already tuple there are 4 items are there: apple, mango, banana and pineapple. Now with the help of this print operation, just we are going to the concept of slices. Now we are going to print. Okay, now the what is the fruits of 0? Now fruits of 0, it will print the 0th position of the item. So what is the 0th position? Apple. So this is the 0 and this is 1 and 2 and this is 3. And what is that reverse? -1, -2, -3 and -4, right? So from the left to right, starting the position is 0. From right to left, -1, -2, -3 and -4. So fruits of 0, what will print? It will print the apple. Fruits of 1 colon 3, what is the 1? As we discussed earlier, 1 is a range and 1 is a starting point and 3 is the ending point. But in the ending point, it will not print, it will print before the ending point. So what the answer will come? The answer should come mango, banana, it should come where? In the second answer. Now we'll see that. So this is the second answer. The first answer, second answer. What is the third answer? Fruits 1 colon. Now starting point only mentioned, but ending point didn't mention. What is this one? So ending point is this up to the last. If ending point not mentioned, it will go up to the last. So what is the one? It will start from the mango, banana and pineapple. It will print third one. Okay, now come to the fourth print. Print the starting point not mentioned, colon 3, right? That is only ending point will mention, but starting point not mentioned. What does mean? So it is start from the 0th position up to third, not the third, before the third, as we discussed earlier. So it will print apple, mango and banana. It will there in this. Come to the this print fruits of -2. What is the -2 position? -2 position banana. So it will print the position banana. What is this one? Colon -2. So starting not mentioned, only ending only mentioned -2. So it will print before the -2. So what is the answer will come? You will get the apple and mango, right? What is the -2 colon? The -2 is starting point -2, ending point up to the end of the item. So -2 banana, last time, so it will print. So banana. So with the help of the slices, and we can print the items from the tuple. But you try to add or you try to delete, or you try to append, or you try to extend, if you are using any external method, and it will not. So I will show one demo to you what error you will get it when you going to add one item into the tuple, right? I'll go back to the again that Python tab. Just you will see here I am just adding for an example insert, for an example, numbers dot insert. We are trying, okay, where in that which position, from that second position we are going to add one number here, right? We are going to add one number here. Clear? Just you just use the print of numbers. What answer will get? Now just we are what is this one? We are try to add the one number in that which position, in the second position. As you know, well, this is the position and this is the value inserted. So now when you're going to try to run this program, first save the program. When you're going to run this program, see, you will get an error message. See, what is the error message? Attribute error, object no attribute. So you are going to use any what are the methods are available in the list, you are going to use in the tuple, you will get an error message. Shall we try for another one? Suppose I am trying numbers dot append. One new thing I am just adding. For what is the append method? Append method, it is supposed to be add an item in the end of the list or end of the tuple. So now we are talking about the tuple at the end of the tuple. But when you going to add, what is the error will come? Error message. To run the program, okay, numbers, just save the program, run the program, and you will get an what the error message you are getting. The tuple, again the tuple attribute error, tuple object has no attribute, so you will get a this error. So you will keep on get this. So any addition, deletion, adding, extending, those operations are not allowed here in the tuple operation. Okay, so we'll go back to the slide and we'll go to the next example. But in the next example, we are going to combine the two tuples items. This is the first tuple fruits and this is second tuples vegetables. We are going to add two tuples items in a single. So for an example, now fruits plus symbol. Now we are going to use the plus symbol to merge or join or combine or concatenate. We can say the many words to add vegetable and print it. So you will get the answer apple, orange, banana, potato and a carrot. So all the tuple items are now joined to the, okay. This is the simple concept in available in the tuples. Okay. So in the next video we will see some more concepts are in the, okay. Thank you very much.